Hey everybody, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. In today's video, I'm doing a cooking show. I'm doing another Dollar Tree cooking. I'm making lasagna. Like, I looked this up on YouTube and everything, so I decided to make, the recipe and everything, which it turned out pretty good, y'all. Like, it was delicious. It was good. It was, I think, under $6. I made the whole meal, and like my nephews, my sister, and everybody, they told me they like it, and they got like seconds of the lasagna, and I got seconds. So I say this is a win. You guys should try it out and let me know in the comments below if you ever made the Dollar Tree lasagna before, which it was so good, y'all. Like, you guys will enjoy it, so go and make it. It's so good, and I hope you enjoy the video, which, the next clip is gonna be the video. But remember, you guys are amazing. Hey everybody, this is my first voiceover, so let me know in the comments if you like my little voiceover. But now I'm just showing you the raviolis, and I'm about to put it on the stove to boil them. Which the instructions, I didn't read the instructions, but it's probably on the back. I probably boiled the raviolis for about 5 minutes or so until they're nice and soft, which, I just added in, then I added water, then I put it on the stove to, to get them soft, which I cooked it before and I guess I did it wrong, so yeah. But now I am showing you, I had to go get a knife to open the cheese because I could not open it, like ripping it. But this cheese I'm showing you is the real cheese, which people on YouTube said the shredded cheese was not real cheese. But I don't know if that's true or not. That's what I heard. But this cheese, the block cheese, you would not even know it came from Dollar Tree. Like, I tasted just a little bit when I was shredding it, and that cheese was so good, but it was like very thin when I was shredding it, so keep that in mind when you're shredding it, because it could break easily, which it was breaking for me, so I still had chunks of cheese. As you can see, I had little chunks where I couldn't shred it because they broke, so I just left it. So now I'm opening the can of tomato sauce to to put my little seasonings in it. I added garlic and onion powder. I know I said the onion powder wrong, but that's okay. We all say stuff different. But now I'm showing you either the garlic or the onion. Like, I wanted to make this good, bring out some more flavors. That's why I was adding the seasoning, which you can buy seasoning from the Dollar Tree, which you don't have to put the seasoning in the can like I did. You don't have to. You can leave that step out if you don't want to, but it didn't really make a difference. I didn't really taste it, but that's okay. We all do our own thing, so make your sauce, seasons. If you want to put seasons in it, go for it. If not, leave it out like I said. But now what you want to do, get your pan and put a little bit of your sauce on the bottom to make a foundation. Which I got this recipe off of YouTube of other people doing it, and they said put sauce a little bit on the bottom for, I guess give it a little more flavor. I'm not too sure why. Leave in the comments below if you know why we put sauce on the bottom. But hey, it was so good. If you want to do put sauce on the bottom, go for it. But I recommend you do it to give it a good foundation. But now I got my raviolis that I didn't let cool, which you can let cool, but you want to line them up, which I think you might have need 3.5 bags to make the ravioli, like the lasagna, because my second layer, as you can see here in a minute, I didn't really have enough lasagna for the second layer, like the ravioli, I mean, for the second layer. Or I should have spread it out more, but I was trying to make it nice and presentable. But it's okay. You do what you want to do. If your budget adds, like, you want to put in an extra bag of the raviolis, go for it if your budget allows you to. And let me know in the comments below if you ever had the Dollar Tree lasagna before, which it was so good, y'all. But now you want to put more of the sauce, put it on it like as evenly as you can, and spread it out as evenly. But I think you can probably get away with 2.5 cans because I think I might need more sauce. But that's okay. It's my first time. But now you want to put your shredded cheese. You want to layer it. If you want to add other stuff in your Dollar Tree lasagna, go for it. Make it your own. Season stuff up to your taste. But spread the cheese out evenly as you can get it and everything. But I was trying to put most of the chunks kind of on the bottom, but that's okay. Now put your second layer, which, like I said, as you can see, I'm kind of running low on the ravioli, but that's okay. That's why I say you might need a third bag and a half of the bag, because I didn't really spread it out that much, but that's okay. I was trying to spread it out to make stuff stretch, but if you only had $6, this would be a good meal. It was enough for seconds, like my sister and me and my nephews and niece, they all had seconds, so it was enough for seconds, and maybe leftovers if your family's not that big. But put the rest of your tomato sauce on top, and you want to dump it and spread it evenly as you can, and you want to make sure you get every drop of the sauce. But yeah, spread it very evenly. And I said maybe another 1.5 cans, because you can still see it if you like your lasagna like real saucy. But if not, that's okay. My niece or nephew came in, was talking to me, but now your leftover cheese, you want to use it all and spread it out evenly as you can, which I think I might need another block of cheese. But if you don't want to add in another block of cheese and you just want to use 2 blocks of cheese, that's okay. You do what makes you happy. Which either way, it was so good. here I am trying to spread it out evenly, which I think it looks pretty good, y'all. And now I put it in the oven. I cooked the for maybe the lasagna for like maybe 20 or so minutes when I cooked it. But I put the foil on the top. Then I took it off, kind of make it golden brown. But it didn't really get golden brown, but that's okay. Now I'm cooking the California blend vegetable. It had carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower in it, which it was so good, y'all. Like, I got just the normal bag of the broccoli, and it still had tough pieces in it, which this bag I didn't, which I'm not saying you will, but it's okay. But you want to add water in it, which I didn't use the whole bag. I just used half of it because it was just me and my sister and her kids here. But I put water in the pan and I was putting garlic and onion powder, and it kind of brings some more flavors out, which you don't have to, but it's okay. I didn't really taste it. My sister told me I should have waited until I dumped the water out before the season, but I'm learning. I don't really cook that much, but I'm learning. Okay, now I'm just putting butter in it that I didn't buy from the Dollar Tree. You can put butter in it if you want to. You can eat it plain if you want. It don't really matter, but it's if you want to put butter in it, go for it. If not, don't. It don't matter. You cook this in the vegetables and stuff how you want. I see my dog yo yo. But now, as you can see, the cheese melted so good on the lasagna. And it was so good. I'm just showing you how it looks. And yo yo, she was like, ooh, I want some lasagna and stuff. I didn't even know she was like the hell. But yeah, she said, I want some lasagna. And now I'm plating it up so I can do a little taste test for you guys. I just got, two, which it was good, y'all. Now I'm getting me some little bit of vegetables, which I could have used the whole bag, but yeah, we had enough for seconds. Like I said earlier, my dog Figgy, like, ooh, I want some too. But I had enough for, like I said, seconds. Now I'm showing you. Don't that look so good, y'all? Delicious. Okay, now I'm saying, oh, hi. Now I'm doing a little taste test for you guys. In the background is my nephews and my sister. They already getting a second. And this was so good. Y'all, I highly recommend cooking it. And I hope you guys enjoy it. But it was so good. But thank you for watching. And remember, you guys are amazing. Have an awesome